Hello, a warm welcome to everyone. Today I am going to share with you a presentation on the topic Groom Global Citizens to Achieve International Peace and Prosperity. Nowadays, people across the world, they are becoming rights oriented rather than duty oriented. Students expect more from educators, subordinates expect more from superiors, children expect more from parents, citizens expect more from countries. So this the kind of mindset is being observed irrespective of the country. Let me start with the quote of John F. Kennedy, who said, "Don't ask what the country can give you. Ask yourself what you can give back to your country." So we need to be duty oriented rather than rights oriented. The moment you start doing your duty properly, you will get your rights automatically. So that everyone must learn across the country, across the world, irrespective of the countries. And how we can groom as global citizens. Global citizens means there is no passport required. You can roam in any part of the world. Global citizen doesn't mean that you sacrifice your own roots of your country. Global citizen is the one who is having roots at the core level, and at the top level you will have a universal look, like universal brotherhood and fraternity. And how we can groom these global citizens? First, let us ask a few questions. Do you have a big heart? Do you believe in universal brotherhood? Do you want to pioneer for international peace and prosperity? If you say yes to these three questions, then you have the qualities to become a global citizen. And in order to prepare global citizens, what is required? It has to start from educational institutions. That educators have to take initiative in order to imbibe certain qualities among the students of universal brotherhood and fraternity. As charity begins at home, it should start from educational institutions. So once this is done, then automatically people will start developing a broad mindset, global mindset. They start loving the people across the world, irrespective of caste, creed, color, community. They will start thinking that we are all human beings. They start loving everybody. So that kind of mindset will be developed. Once that kind of mindset is developed, what happens? We will find a lot of peace across the world. Apart from that, in order to grow as a global citizen, you must check your ex-ego. And secondly, you must learn to empathize with others. If you empathize with others, 50% of the problems will be resolved in this world. Empathy means when you look at the things from others' perspective, automatically you will start thinking from others' perspective, and you start understanding the problems, and the conflicts will be resolved to a greater extent. So you need to empathize with others so that you can start becoming a global citizen. So these are the things we have to do, and besides, there has to be coordinated efforts from all stakeholders like students, educators, society, NGOs, United Nations. All these people have to work together so that we can groom global citizens. Once we groom global citizens, we can find peace across the world. There won't be violence, there won't be terrorism. People start respecting everyone. We feel like that we are all human beings. So that kind of attitude will come. I am sure that day is not far away. We are going to have such kind of world by building and by grooming citizens as global citizens. I have a Facebook account, Facebook page. When you type my name, Professor M.S. Rao, the Facebook page comes on the very first page in the Google, and you can like that page. Once you like it, whatever the articles I post, that will come to you and you can read it. My vision is to build 1 million people as global leaders, and that is possible by means of social media. So I want to be very aggressive through social media. So you can like that page, and also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like it, and you can post your comments. Your comments are very much required. Why? Because that adds value to the existing knowledge, and and people will start respecting your ideas as well. And knowledge has to be shared. Knowledge should not be kept in one place. That is what I strongly believe in. Like, if you keep water in one place, that stinks. So water has to flow. Similarly, knowledge has to flow from one person to another person. So I request you to like the page and share it with others. Let us build a world with global citizens to achieve international peace and prosperity. Thank you very much.